Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Chase bank account with Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've started a new side hustle or a new startup, or maybe you're just starting your online business and you hopped onto Wave apps. Now I can speak from experience that Wave apps is an absolutely great place to actually go ahead and keep track of your finances and such. But either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. Make sure to stick around. There's not a lot of steps involved, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you go onto Wave apps, you're going to click on this button that says banking, and it's on the left-hand side here. So once you click on banking, you're going to click on connected accounts. And then from here, you're just going to click on Chase. So Wave itself is actually partnered with Plaid, which is used by Venmo, Robinhood, Coinbase. It's basically a very secure way to actually connect your bank with Plaid. Either way, just click on Chase. And then from here, you're just going to get a prompt that says Wave uses Plaid to connect your account, and it's going to connect in seconds. So after you go ahead and click on continue, it's going to ask you for your phone number, or you can continue as a guest. And then from this page, I'm not going to proceed after here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. After you click on continue to log in, it's going to ask you to log into your Chase account. So you are going to need your Chase information. And then once you log into your Chase account, you're going to see this checkbox here. And this is what you need to check before you actually go ahead and exit out of your Chase account. So once you check this box, you just proceed with the prompts, and then after that's all set up, your Chase account should be connected with Wave. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Chase account with Wave apps. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.